Okay, folks, this is more of, I'm just using this stationary back glass as an example. Like, as if, say you wanted to remove this back glass and this was the window that was busted out. And so therefore you can't put your cup there and you're trying to cut the thing out. And maybe you can't get your cold knives in between the outside without screwing it up because you don't want to scratch shit. So this is just an example of what I do to redirect the string. So I'll do something like, I opened up that end just enough and made sure that this thing was smooth so it doesn't damage my string and I can put it in and out, whatnot. So I just grab that and like maybe redirect it to there. And then use that as your point. So truthfully, if you kind of play it right, you don't really need to move your bat a whole lot doing panoramic roofs or back glasses and stuff, because you can just, like I said, you can just redirect like that. That's all.